Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in travel and lifestyle gear. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly rated travel bags on the market, the BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag. If you've been searching for the best large cosmetic travel bag, look no further. This one stands out for its functionality, size, and design. Let's take a closer look. When it comes to packing for your travels, organization is key. And the BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag is built with just that in mind. It features a spacious interior that allows you to store everything from toiletries to makeup and more. The dimensions, 11.8 inches in length, 7.3 inches in width, and 8.73 inches in height, make it large enough to fit all your essentials without feeling bulky. Whether you're going on a short business trip or week-long vacation, this bag has the space to keep you organized. One of the standout features of this bag is its 180 degrees wide open design. Unlike traditional toiletry bags that make you dig around for what you need, this bag opens completely, giving you full access to everything inside. No more fumbling through a pile of products or worrying about items getting squished or misplaced. The compartments are thoughtfully laid out, allowing you to organize your items in a way that's easy to access, even while you're on the go. Another fantastic aspect of this bag is its material. Made from ultra-light and soft taslin fabric, it feels almost like cotton candy. Soft to the touch, yet durable enough to hold up against daily wear and tear. Whether you're using it for toiletries, makeup, or even accessories, the bag is lightweight and easy to carry, making it the perfect travel companion. What really sets this bag apart is the attention to detail in its design. It features a unique dry and wet separation system, which comes in handy for items like toothpaste, shampoo, or other liquids. The waterproof PVC fabric on the inside makes cleaning the bag a breeze. No more worrying about spills or leaks, as the separate front zipper pocket helps keep wet and dry items from mixing. The functionality of the BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag doesn't stop at toiletries. It's versatile enough to serve as a shaving kit organizer, a makeup bag, or even a travel bag for gym essentials. Its sleek design and functionality make it a great choice not just for personal use, but also as a thoughtful gift for family or friends, especially during the holiday season. Lastly, the bag is designed to stand upright, which is not only convenient for packing but also ensures that your products stay in place without falling over. No more worrying about your bottles tipping or your cosmetics leaking during travel. It's a small detail, but it makes a world of difference when you're packing. In conclusion, the BAGSMART Travel Toiletry Bag is a must-have for anyone who values organization, convenience, and style. It combines a spacious design with practical features like a wide-open structure, dry and wet separation, and lightweight material. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just looking for a better way to organize your essentials, this bag will not disappoint. Thanks for watching this review, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Safe travels!